So here we are 30 days later. A few of you recommended doing a roll pin. Somebody said a nut and bolt, another person said a rivet. The roll pin made the most sense because you can make it flat. So on this side, can't even really see it that well, I did a roll pin, drilled it out 7/64. I thought the roll pin would just pinch inside there and work, but it did not. So I used an 1/8 inch bit and just did a little bloop just to get the roll pin started, and that got about halfway down and it stopped. It would not go no more. So on this side I found the screw that was the same size, threaded it down, or it was a little bit bigger, so I forced it in there, threaded it down, and then just chopped it off. So that shouldn't give me too bad of a spur, but there you go. Also, when you're pounding on these, be careful, because I had a little bit of a curve and it looks like I may have gotten that out. So these things are very delicate. Don't over tighten them. Pay attention while you're assembling it. I have a problem with over tightening stuff a lot. Anyways, good luck. Let's all pray that Chris gets to his freaking emails.